I want to watch Disney Channel.
Well, I want to watch Nickelodeon.
Well, we should watch Disney Channel because this just has the Paw Patrol show on, and it's just like so babyish.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Hand over the remote.
Never.
Oh my God, I've never heard or seen a horse do that. Oh my God.
I'm a stingray. So, I will nibble your hoofs.
Oh my God, that tickles so much. Get away from me. Then you cannot change the channel. I'm bigger than you. I'm so much larger than you. Watch me crush your leg. Yeah. If I can get on. See, I knocked you over. That's because I slipped. Oh. But I still knocked you over. No, you didn't. Okay, move. That's how you push someone. Yeah. Come on. I'm standing on a desk here and I want to change the channel. There we go. Maybe I can stand on it now. Not 73. I'm in trouble now. 4, 3. Yes. Oh yeah. You didn't even try to stop. Oh no! No, not Mickey Mouse. Why did you tell me this was on? Then the Paw Patrol is better. No, it's not. At least it's not Mickey Mouse. Oh, whatever. I thought we were gonna be able to watch stuff like, you know, SpongeBob. Oh my God, the stupidest thing is on. Peppa Pig. I'm way too old for this. Especially Lightning. Yeah, if she were here, she would be like getting us away from the TV. Yeah. But can we make up and watch like The Simpsons or something? You like that show? Yeah. I think it's channel 75. Alright. Do it, dude. I don't know. Wanted, dead or alive. I mean, I guess this will be good enough as long as it's not like scary. Oh, it's in black and white. I don't really care. Do you? No. I'll get the apple. Since Lightning won't let us have popcorn. Yeah, that's the most annoyingest thing ever. Ah, I almost fell.
I ain't never done nothing like this before. In the stage show.
I think it might be an old show or a movie or something. Most likely, if it's in black and white. You said it, dude. So what do you hissed at me? How would you do that? I just did because I was really angry. See, I didn't do it as well. You can see why it's called Wanted, Dead or Alive. They were just holding Wanted sign. Kind of reminds me of The Music Man almost. It's not in black and white, dude. Dude, it's not in black and white. This is, but not The Music Man. I'm serious. If Lightning were here, she would, like, freak out right now. Yeah. Totally. Definitely. We should probably do something about what we're watching before she comes home. Yeah. Totally. Okay, let's stop saying that kind of stuff and turn this off. But I was gonna get to the feel of this. There, it's off. Okay. Well, okay, I'm just gonna go over here by this person. Me too. Guys, that was like something that was supposed to be funny. 2 horses fighting over my remote control. So, I hope you liked it. And peace out. I'm sick, so yeah, that sounded really weird. So peace out. Bye.